Okay, today we're going to start talking a little bit about the coding program Scratch and how you can use it to teach logical functions and logical order. Okay, so what we have here is a basic coding program that kids can use to figure out how to put logical processes together. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to look at over here, we're going to have our active window, which is going to show our project. Over here is going to have our commands and the other things. Down here in this area right here are where the sprites are. So you can have the backdrop. You can also have any of the sprites you put on the screen. Sprites are the active animations, the pictures, whatever it is. I'm going to run you through the command that I did. Okay, this is basically a vault, and it's going to be set to be locked. You need to get the code out of the vault. But in order to do that, you're going to have to follow a logical process. So I'm going to show you when we first come up here and we click, it says when the flag is clicked, you're going to broadcast the start command. Okay, so if I come up here and click it, it's going to do the start process, which is the first command is found right here. And that command is when I receive the start command, you're going to switch the backdrop to vault to make sure it's on the right background. Okay, then you're going to go to x30 y negative 125, which is the position of the command. It is going to ask, please enter your first command and hit enter, and then you're going to wait. So if I do that, let's say my command is 1, it's going to say denied because the variable, which is a if then or if else statement, if then else technically, okay, it's going to say if the answer to what I enter is S, then you're going to play the sound click, which is the thing which is the good thing. You're going to play and enter your second command, hit enter because that's the right command, and then wait. And then you're going to broadcast the second entry. If it says broadcast the second entry, because here's the if then statement, it goes to the next step. If else, if it's entered, like I entered 1, hit enter, it said access denied because that is not the correct code. So I have it, if it plays the correct code, it's going to play the sound locked. It's going to say access denied for 1 second, and then it's going to go up broadcast start, which takes me back to the very beginning of that command. Okay, so here's how it works. Here are the variables that are switchable. You can switch the answer. You can make it whatever you want. And then if you go through this progression, goes to this progression, the same exact thing. And then the last progression is a little different. When you get to the last progression, if you enter the last code, I have it to switch to a different background, which I can show you what that looks like. So my command is S, enter, A, enter, W, enter. It's going to go to a different backdrop. It's going to open the vault, and it's going to say, congratulations, your secret code is aardvark. This would be used in a scavenger hunt game or something to add a technical element. Okay, so if it's not, it says locked, access denied, goes back to the start. So it's a very simple command, very simple way to write initial code. Kind of talks about understanding logical process of this then statements. All right, that's it. See you next time.